Happy birthday, 6 months in Slovenia! I think I can be a cool teacher. Welcome to vlog 14. I think it's 14. We still have a lot to publish, so yes. And we're, as you can see, on a little hike with Luna and Dame and Vanguard. You can see they're really fast. And the place is called Granada. Granada. It's really pretty, and it's been sunny the past few days, so we're having a good time. You want to say something to the vlog?
We're on top.
Very nice hike. I have a lot of things to say for the vlog today. So the situation is, I slept yesterday at 10:30, so I have so much energy.
We have seen that.
They have a bit less, but it's fine. And today we're gonna record a video spot for Gregor. So for this we have all the gear, and we have Simon preparing more stuff.
To make a plan.
To make a plan, of course.
Write down everything.
That's because we're professionals. We are preparing everything. Maybe it's for me. I think not.
1, 2, 3, go!
So these guys are complaining because they didn't sleep 10 hours tonight. You should all do like me, like life advice. Sleep 10 hours every night, and then you can have like energy for the whole day. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Like we've heard the same song maybe 20-25 times to record, and I'm not tired of it. How happy am I? Happy birthday, 6 months in Slovenia! Today we are the 2nd of March, which means we have been in Slovenia for 6 months. 6 months. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday! And it's my first workshop today, so this is a really memorable birthday. That is or gonna go super good or gonna go terrible because I have zero authority. We'll see. We'll keep you updated.
Okay.
Are you scared? Are you excited?
A little.
I think they will bully us. Like, I have a feeling.
I think so too. I think they will. But like, I'm okay with them bullying me.
Okay.
I'm okay. I forgive them. They're 15. I was 15 at some point too.
Did you bully people?
No, I was super nice.
Okay.
I was super
No
nice.
bullies.
How do you feel after your first workshop? Okay.
It's a silent vlog. It was cool.
It's Kesa's
They
vlog.
they were nice and they're close and enthusiastic, so it's cool. Bye.
This is yours.
was nice.
So basically then what happened is Eugenie went in front of the kids and showed them this first. So she said like, be nice or I will go to you.
Did you get bullied yesterday, like we expected?
No.
Yeah,
I know.
we
I'm
didn't
not
get
bullied.
bullied. We were saying.
Did you become the bullier?
No. No.
I think I can be a cool teacher. I mean, I don't have the cool teacher outfit today, but I can. Like,
But with the glasses.
You're a good hippie teacher.
not today. I
This
don't have
looks
my
cool.
So kids, today I'm gonna teach shutter speed. No, not that kind of teacher. That's me. Kids, do you know about shutter speed? Okay, I will show you a picture and you tell me fast or slow shutter speed. That was a good exercise.
Okay, so for the summary of the first week of workshops, we had a lot of fun. We didn't get bullied, which was quite successful. And Eugenie is a great teacher, and here are some of the pictures as a result.